Hello friends, welcome back to Idea Treasure. Okay, so this video is going to be very much interesting for those who are actually interested in the networking and the cabling sections. Okay, so those who don't know how to do the cable alignment for the crossover and the straight cable, this video is going to be very much useful for them. Please keep watching this video. Those who have the basic idea about the networking cable, so they know very well that the networking cable has the totally 8 wires inside the one single cable that has been connected with normally with the RJ45, the male and female connectors for the networking. Okay, when we talk about the networking, so it actually there is a multiple varieties of cables is available. Okay, the first category is the straight cable, and the second one is the crossover cable, and the third one is the rollover cable. You can see from this picture the different varieties of the cable. The internal wires are represented with multiple colors. Let me read out the colors for your easy reference. It's white, green, white, orange, blue, white, blue, orange, white, brown. So these are the 8 colors that has been used always in the networking cables. So when the terminal 1 and the terminal 2, the same alignment, like the white green of pin 1 is been connected to the white green of pin 1, pin 2. Okay, I mean the terminal 2. So it's called the straight cable. Okay, so whatever the alignment in the one side of the cable, that is the same alignment is there in this the other terminal of the cable, that is called straight over cable. When the alignment is changing in the number like 3 6 1 7 8 2 4 5, so these are all called as crossover cable. When the total numbers are exactly changing right from the 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 and 8 7 6 5 4 3 2 1, these are called the rollover cable. So in this video we are going to specifically talk about the crossover cable. The cables are normally categorized into two models. One is the T568A and T568B. It doesn't make any actually difference. It's only the color change in the cable. Actually, the straight cable and the crossover cables are used for the different purposes. So the one which is required, the crossover cable, you cannot use the straight cable, and the devices that requires the straight cable, you cannot use the crossover cable. So there is a need for having the two different cable for the different purposes and the usages. Okay, so the network engineers or anybody who is doing the networking has to have the different cables for their different needs. Okay, in this video we are going to see how one can use the same cable for the different purposes. Okay, so this video is going to be very much useful for those who are using the network. Let us go into the video. If you are watching this video in our channel for the first time, please do subscribe and also like, share and comment your views. Thank you. Hello friends, so I'm going to show you an interesting tool, the tip. Okay, maybe you can call it as the new technique that can amaze you after looking at this video. Okay, so I'm going to give a small introduction about the new technology, the tool, the adapter that is already been available in the market already, but I want to show you some different unique technique that has been followed in the specific product. Okay, everybody would have known already that there is two types of cables basically in the networking. Okay, like this, the RJ45 cable adapter. So there is the two type is that one is the straight cable and another is the crossover cable. Okay, so in these two cables, the usage of those two cables, you might be already aware that these are used for connecting between the networks. Okay, I mean connecting between the computers or the modem to the computers or for any network and internet purposes. So I don't have to give the detailed explanation about it. But the thing why I am here to in this video, what I'm going to introduce you is that when you have the straight cable, when you need the crossover cable for connecting to computers, like what I have now here. Okay, you don't have to buy the separate crossover cable. Okay, so you can convert this straight cable into crossover cable quickly by an adapter. Okay, let me show you how. Okay, Yeah, so I'm going to test you for your convenience that this is the straight cable. This is just 1 meter cable, straight cable that I have it. Okay. Yeah, you can see that this is the straight cable. 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8. Okay, so this is straight cable. And so if you want this straight cable to be converted into crossover cable, it's very easy. That there is a product available in the market. Okay, this is the special product from the brand of Nirvik. Okay, you can find this product from the web page www.electronics.nirvik.com. I spell it NIRVAG.com. Okay, so from this product, I'm using this product, you can convert the crossover cable into straight cable, and also the straight cable into crossover cable. So this one adapter, you can use it for both the purposes. When you have the straight cable like this, what I have just checked, you can have this uh, connector, this male connector to be plugged into this the female adapter. Okay, now this cable is the crossover cable. This has converted into crossover cable. Let us check this one. I have just plugged in the straight cable that is being turned again here in this adapter, has turned as a crossover cable. Okay, now let us check. 3 6 1 7 8 2 4 5. So this is the crossover cable. Now see, let me read the numbers once again. 3 6 1 7 8 2 4 5. So this is a crossover cable. Now this straight cable, this converter has simply changed the straight cable into a crossover cable. You can use this cable for connecting the computers like this, what I have just connected. You can also see that I've used this adapter for connecting the computers in the crossover model. Okay, so you don't have to buy a separate crossover cable in the market. Maybe when you think of buying another product of crossover, you can just think of buying this product. Maybe you can use this one for the multi-purposes. Okay, so when you want to, so when you actually go for buying the crossover cable or the straight cable, you have to decide what is the length of the cable that you need to buy from the market. But once you buy the 5 meters or 10 meters of length, you may want to, you cannot increase it or decrease it. But when you have this cable, this adapter, okay, you can use it for any length of cable, so that can immediately convert the straight cable into crossover. Okay, the second thing what I wanted to show you is that when you have the crossover cable, okay, so when you have the crossover cable, that you can simply convert that into straight cable. I'm going to show you that as well. Yes, so this is the blue color tabs, blue color boards. This is the crossover cable. Let me show you. I have not added the adapter at this moment, so I'm going to show you the cable type directly using this meter checker tester. Okay, 3 6 1 7 8 2 4 5. So this is the crossover cable. Okay, so I'm going to show you how this adapter converts this crossover cable into the straight cable. Okay, the same way, I have not done anything, just in the same way I'm inserting this male portion here. Okay, and again this portion in this tester. Now let us see. So this is the actually crossover cable. After adding this adapter, let us see how it works. 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8. So this is now absolutely working as the straight cable. So this adapter can be used to convert directly the straight cable into crossover cable, and also the crossover cable into straight cable. So this is the dual purpose adapter that you can go for buying it. And as I told you already. So this can help you with many things, that you don't have to buy separate cables of the types, so whether it's a crossover or cable or the straight cable or what is the length of the cable. You can forget about all those questions, and you can just simply go for buying this just one product that can solve your all your problems in the networking. Yeah, so this, the requirement of this product may be the one time use, or one just we want to buy and add it to the system, or maybe the multiple use can be very much out for the network engineers. Okay, so they can have this product in handy if they want to test the product. They want to immediately test the multiple products, no, so this can be used. So more customizable and the more flexible and the dual purpose product. This product is comes with the brand of Nurvik. Okay, so this is the registered brand, and I can give the link of this product in the description. Please check, and you may go for buying it. Okay, let me repeat again the website where it is available, and this is also available in the Amazon. This specifically the check for the brand of Nurvik, because Nurvik is the only brand that has this capacity to convert, to work in the both the models. Okay, it can convert the straight cable into crossover and also the crossover into straight model. Okay, I can also give you the links of the company's direct purchase, where you can buy this product in the lesser cost comparing to the Amazon and the other markets. Okay, I think this video would have been more helpful for you, to in terms of understanding technically the need for the simple tool that can convert the types of the network cables. Okay, if you have any questions about this video, please don't hesitate to comment. Please like and subscribe to this channel, and also share it to your friends if you like this video. And yeah, please give your valuable feedback, so that can help us to do more videos like this. Okay, thank you, bye bye.